Real estate term of the day. This is your post-license education. If you are a broker, a broker student, once you get your broker's license, you're going to have to do 60 hours post-education, which in fact is two different classes, 30 and 30. And for the sales associate is 45 hours. These classrooms are required. If you fail to take this class, you will lose your license. Your license will become null and void. So please make sure that you get these education as soon as possible. I also highly recommend that you do it soon, not later. Most licensees wait until the month that their license is going to expire. That is not what to do. That is a huge mistake because now you're under a lot of duress and stress, and you really don't need that. It's not a hard class. They're very simple. There is no state test. It's just a classroom test. But if you do it at the time that you don't need to do it, you're going to do fine. But if you do it at a time that you must get it done or your license expires, guess what? It's going to become very difficult. For more tips and tricks, and if you need a one-on-one tutoring session with me, please visit my website. Thank you very much. Stay tuned for more.